Here's a quick video of some of the progress on the environment. This is Visual Studio Code, and here we have our code base. So for example, insect ray sphere is a helper function. If I hold down the control key, I can go through and find the instance of where that class or that method is available so that I can check my maths if I need to. This is the umajin language, which we're going to compile on the fly using LLVM. This is all, I can breakpoint this so I can step through code, watch, look at all the variables. There's some quite sophisticated autocomplete. So for example, teleport box, I could find out that's of class box. If I go back to the reference and I hit the dot key, then I can get the autocomplete for all of the methods that class and that superclass support. Methods and properties, I should say. You get all of your parameter autocompleting and all those kind of good things. So if we run the editor as it currently stands, then what we can do is select a scene like the firefighter scene. So here we have a environment. You can see it loads nice and fast, obviously, with all our assets in it. And then we can go through here on the left hand side and say select the fire extinguisher or the crowbar, the sledgehammer, and those planar editors are screen space, so they will stay an appropriate size to be able to grab them with your mouse, and then you'll be able to drag and interact with those properties. This properties panel is not being updated, but when you change between the different components, this properties panel will fill in properly. If we go to another scene that shows some of the PBR lighting, once again you can see it loads incredibly fast, and here's our photorealistic based lighting. So if we get to physically based lighting, so we actually see the cool specular map and that mirror there in this pan in front of us. And then once again we can go through the process of selecting things and adjusting them, editing them. Soon you'll be able to add new things here as well. There is an orbit view just to make it easier for people to interact who are not used to kind of game style WASD controls, which is the normal fly view, and then just by hitting show VR it pops up into my XR headset. Sweet, cheers.